Sunflex Bifold doors have been installed worldwide for over 30 years. This is the SF55I, our most popular bifold. It has a slim 117mm sightline, also a very narrow frame depth of 55mm. If you're after a slim bifold, along with a sightline, check out how deep the frame is as well. Because with a 55mm it looks slim from all angles, not just face on. And also that 55mm narrow frame depth means when all the doors are stacked up to one side, you get a nice slim stack and it maximises your clear opening. The lead door is secured onto the next panels with a unique locking panel catch. This secures it on, meaning it can't get blown shut in the wind. It's so much better than just a basic magnet, and it means the doors have to be used in the right way. So you pull the doors from the track side, and that door is then automatically released, so you haven't got to touch that catch at all. You can tell if it's a Sunflex bifold because you haven't got a handle affecting the look of the doors and interrupting your view. Whether the doors are open or closed, the Sunflex handle is in line with that door frame. So much better than having to look at the back of the outside handle. Along with the colour matched hinges, the handles are all colour matched in as well for that subtle contemporary look. The Sunflex 55i achieves Secure by Design, a police approved security membership scheme, and also PAS 24 2016, a must for any new builds. The locking is with chute bolts hidden in the frame, top and bottom, and additional locking into the side. The outer frame on a Sunflex bifold has a double rebate, so there's two solid sections in there for the door to close tight against. Anyone trying to force anything substantial through this will hit an instant solid rebate and will be unable to prise the door open. If you need a key lock on the outside of the door, we use a 6-pin anti-bump, anti-snap, anti-drill for the ultimate in security. Or alternatively, you can choose to have no key lock on the outside and it gives the outer frame a nice clean look as well. We have 3 choices of track. We have a completely flush track, which is great for internal use or for when weathering isn't an issue. We have our weathered track, which is the ultimate in keeping out the wind and the rain. Or for middle ground, we have our low level track. So you still have your inside and outside floor levels the same, and the low level track just goes up and down 14mm in the middle, so still a flush look, but offers one rebate there for the doors to close against, so you still get a weather seal. With all these unique features, and the German engineering, and being awarded the British Kite Mark, the SF55I is the best all-round bifold door available.